All right. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TJTV, and I'm back with another video. Y'all already know what it is. Birthday weekend, your boy turning up at Holly Moparty. Man, I feel old. But hey, last year I didn't get a chance to come out here and bring my car, so you know I had to step out correctly. I got my car this time. We parked over at the car show. I paid for tickets, so y'all hear that noise in the background. You know we're gonna bring y'all some fire videos. I ain't gonna make this intro too long like the rest of them. We just gonna hop straight into it.
Try to catch me up in traffic, I'ma slide on you. And we rolling deep, I'm with my crew. Candy paint red, while me drip on them. I'ma get the bag and we gon' scoop. Try to catch me up in traffic, I'ma slide on you. And we rolling deep, I'm with my crew. Candy paint red, while me drip on them. I'ma get the bag and we gon' scoop. Something like Nike, yeah, we bout to check. But watch me peel off if it's going bad. My brothers down the right, you know we breaking bread. And I ain't even talking about the food yet. A little out of breath because I'm heavy. But it's only a crime if they catch me. Went from eating snacks to a track star. Cause a 5-0 right behind me. Try to catch me up in traffic, I'ma slide on you. And we rolling deep, I'm with my crew. Candy paint red, while me drip on them. I'ma get the bag and we gon' scoop. Try to catch me up in traffic, I'ma slide on you. And we rolling deep, I'm with my crew. Candy paint.
Ooh, 12-9 on the left, 13-4 on the right. All right, so just like last year, Holly Moparty is a 3-day event. You come in Thursday to drop off your cars or anything else. And then I think, well, if you want to do the registration and stuff, you can. If not, then you can just come and be a spectator. But you know, I had to get in the show this time since I didn't have it last time. kitty, kitty. I like how he has the GoPro hooked up on his helmet.
Yeah, go ahead.
So we did come a little bit late. We had a lot of stuff to do today. So the drag racing and the burnouts and all that stuff is over with, but you can still walk around and check everything out. So that's just what we're doing right now. Then we're gonna ask to see how much it costs to get in the drift cars, because I'm definitely gonna try to do that. But yeah, so far so good. Darn. Oh. Hey, I'm gonna run in here. All right. So what y'all think first day?
Yeah, man. It's a good time. Good time, good time. Lots of fun.
Yeah. So, like I said, we did get there late. You know, we had some stuff to do, but we brought the cars out. We badged up, check me out, verified. Yeah, but you know, they got some nice stuff out here. There's gonna be Mopars out here all weekend, so expect to see them everywhere. But yeah, we Smoky Bones Bar. Wait, hold on, that's a tongue twister. Smoky Bones Bar and Fire Grill. So we gonna check this out and see what they got going on. You know, Ross, what you doing? Come on.
I just listening.
Be quiet.
Headlock right now.
On camera?
30 minutes on camera.
On camera. All right.
30-minute headlock.
Wait, hold on. What we used to say? Stop talking if I hit you on your knuckle or whatever you say.
I ate to my bone.
Yeah.
Whoop you on the bone.
Put me on the bone. It's the Best Buy over there, so I'm gonna see if they'll take this battery back too. I didn't bring the case, but I'm gonna still see if they take that battery back.
Here's the receipt though.
Yeah. Man, y'all know I love some good barbecue. What Mike's drink car? Ooh, smell good too. I ain't even want to count. Smell fire. Oh, it smell like I'm finna test something out. What's going on, boss? Just 3 of them?
How many?
3.
3. 2 for these gentlemen. How many?
3.
3.
I don't care. It smells too good to make up my mind right
I
now.
understand. Whatever's easiest for you guys, outside, whatever's easiest.
Okay.
We're easy going, guys.
Hey, y'all know I'm finna throw down. I ain't even gonna count.
Anywhere y'all like's fine for me.
Alright, bet. Let's get this backside. What a lovely day in Bowling Green.
Go enjoy.
Appreciate.
You good there, man? You want to sit over here? Comfortable where you at? I know. When we are with Mike, we can't sit back too. He's got to have a wall. So I'm like,
Hey, this stuff look good.
Doesn't it though?
I ain't gonna go through the whole menu, but I'll see y'all when the food come out.
Yeah, lemonade.
Yeah.
Arnold
What'd you get?
Palmer.
Touching up. I got Arnold Palmer.
Did you want to start with any appetizers?
What's the best thing on the menu?
Duck wings.
For real?
They're really good. I'm also really picky.
I was looking at the Mag Nacho.
Mag Nacho is really good too.
Fire. Yeah, let's get that.
Mag Nacho.
2 questions. I have a severe nut allergy. Is anything gonna kill me? I saw some dessert that had nuts. I think that was about it.
Yeah, no, I don't think, other than like we have a pecan butter, but that's only if you get like a cornbread. But I think that would be it. So,
Alright,
I think you'll live.
bet.
If not, we'll just shoot you up.
I don't even think I have them, to be honest with you.
And I'd like the fried pickles.
Brisket grilled cheese.
Yeah, right here. There you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, no problem.
Come on now.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get y'all barbecue sauces and napkins. Y'all need anything else right now? Did you need ketchup?
Ooh, can I get
Mac and cheese.
Yeah, that's right.
Was there something like that?
Yeah, that's okay. Yes,
You
no
can keep the fries for me.
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Wow, Tony, man, that looks delicious.
Oh. Attaboy.
There you go. Man, look at that, Ann. No blink.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. We finna. Ooh.
Tear it up.
Oh yeah, this finna be gone about 3 minutes.